Welcome back. Today we have the Hubman Chubgirl Sweetstown Ultimate Stationery Box. I'm using this in my planner that I have from Hubman and Chubgirl. And we have a beautiful box once again in keeping with the theme. So I'm going to take everything out and we will go through everything one at a time here. First we have the pin. It's a gingerbread house. Love that. Has two attachments on the back. So very beautiful. Then we have two washi tapes. I'll pull those apart in a minute. Here we have 5 die cut vinyl stickers. Oh, that's cute. And that's cute too. Very cute. Here, this is the Hobonichi Cousins Kit, Sweetstown. I did do all the stationery that comes with this because I have found I am using some of these out of the Hobonichi because I didn't have enough in the others for things I wanted to put in my planner. Aren't those cute? I love those. These are the things that I needed extra of the squares for writing in my planner. And you have some washi tape stickers here too. And of course your weekend stickers. This one is the variety sticker pack. It says 7 assorted sticker sheets. These have foiling on the edges of them. That's very cute. And here we have some scenic ones. Here we have more washi tape strips, some ticket strips, some more of the bears, and candies. And here we have some scenic ones. This is the Sweetstown planner set. Beautiful set for using in your planner. Here we have check-off lists there. Here we have days, the numbers for your planner, your weekend, your to-do list, and here we also have days of the week. So this one, we have our February. Here we have days of the week, numbers for your planner, and you have 2 different types you can use. This one we have our smaller icons. This one got ripped a little bit, it looks like. Okay, we have gummy bear washi flakes. I don't know, these didn't come out of there. These look like 2 more vinyl stickers. And these have more of the washi tape see-through type look to them. And here we have some more beautiful stickers to decorate our planner. And we have the journaling card. So lots of beautiful things. Plus you get this nice storage that, container that will hold all these stickers. And I keep that in my sticker planner. It's not a sticker planner, but an extra sticker holder that I use for my planner. And here we have two washi tapes. One's So Sweet and one's Sweetstown. This one is candies. This one is called Sweetstown, and it is just a candy town scene. So beautiful, beautiful things. Do you do Hubman and Chubgirl? If you do, let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video and help my channel grow. And I will see you next time. Happy planning, everyone.